The Church of Uganda has received boxes of reusable pads from HEX-EPA as part of its ongoing local appeal that was launched in April this year. Through this initiative, over 5,600 refugees have so far been supported.
We are delivering reusable pads for distribution to refugees in Nakivaale as a response to the Archbishop's call for the Church of Uganda to support the refugees in Nakivaale. We are happy to deliver these products, and we will be happy to continue collaborating with Church of Uganda and make a useful response to the refugees in Nakivaale, particularly the girls and the women who do not have a proper way of keeping themselves clean and comfortable during their days of menstruation.
The donation was officially received by Mr. Bala Muhebwa, the acting provincial secretary, together with Reverend Andrew Agaba, the director of household and community transformation.
We are so happy and amazed about the love and care from our sister organization HEX-EPA. They have come to us to deliver the 5 boxes of sanitary pads towards the contribution of Church of Uganda's appeal for emergency response to the refugees in Nakivaale. As you are aware, our listeners over there, you know that this year the Church of Uganda ran a local appeal to the entire country to support the 25,000 refugees who are in Nakivaale refugee camp from the countries of DRC, Rwanda, Burundi, Ethiopia, and Somalia.
Reverend Agaba appealed to well-wishers to continue supporting refugees through the Church of Uganda appeal, which is still ongoing.
We have continuously received support from different partners, and we continue to appeal to everyone out there. You could be having something small, even 1 box of soap, 1 box of sanitary pads, books for school-going children, even clothes. We invite the industries, the other companies that could support this appeal, that please come to Church of Uganda here and at Namirembe, and one of these days in the coming months we will be going back for ministry again to deliver all the support that has been gathered from other people.
According to Josephine Ninsima, the officer in charge of environment and disaster reduction at the Church of Uganda, the pads will be distributed to school-going teenage girls as part of the menstrual hygiene awareness program in schools within Nakivaale Refugee Settlement.
One of the key things in the settlement, or the key issues that we have in the settlement, is the problem associated with the girl child. Those who go to school, they lack pads. So in this case, we see a lot of increased dropout of school of the teenage girls, because during that period when they're in their menstruation periods, they can't go to school because they don't have pads. So this support comes in as very critical for those girls. It's going to be given those girls who go to school, so that they can be able to go to school confidently even when they're in that kind of periods, in that kind of season.
She further explained that the church has established community structures such as Girl Shine in refugee settlements, which helps sensitize young girls about the risks and challenges they may encounter in society.
Church of Uganda currently has community structures that they work with in the settlement, and one of those structures is Girl Shine. Girl Shine, this is their uniform. The Girl Shine, these are like adolescent champions that are spearheading prevention of teenage pregnancies in the community. They sensitize fellow girls on early marriages, the effects of early marriages, and I believe this contribution from HEX-EPA is going to be one of those things that also help them to do their work effectively in the community, because they're going to give out these pads to those teenagers that don't have pads, those who have dropped out of school because they don't have pads, and also use it to sensitize other girls on how they can also make these pads, because these pads are reusable, that they've been given, they are reusable, and they have been made locally by other refugees from another settlement.